to another episode. As you can tell from this video, I am actually up in Duluth. That was Lake Superior that I was showing you there. And keeping with the theme of all that ice that you saw, yes, this is another decoy building video. As you might have seen in the last video about carving a trout, this one I am carving from the thumbnail, you probably saw, a Northern Pike for a spearing decoy. But as promised, this one is for sale. At the end of the video last time, I put that Northern Pike, the one that I'm making this, kind of getting so backwards, but the one that I'm making in this video, I already had made and put up on eBay to be sold, and it has sold. But let's pretend that I'm in the present, or not the present, the past, and yeah, it hasn't sold yet, but it has. It went onto eBay as an auction, starting at $1, and it sells. So yeah, watch the build. At the end, we'll reveal how much does it go for.
So now we're going to be doing the chamfer lines. And I've taken this clear measuring thing, and it has 2 squares from the bottom is where that is the widest part. So I want to measure up 2 squares all the way across the bottom to where it will get to its widest part. Anywhere that comes within that range is going to be rounded. So that's 2 squares from the bottom. Slide this over. And this is 2 squares from the bottom. I'm just going to connect those 2 lines. And this is just a guide to tell me what needs to be removed. So all that would need to be removed. And it's also 2 squares in on the bottom. So I'm going to do the exact same thing here. When that flush with the side, and then 2 squares in is there. And same over here on this side, 2 squares in is here, and then I connect those all the way across. And I'm just going to do that on both sides. This is 4 and 4. It's the same deal, except for now we got 4, which is all the way to there. On this side, same deal, it's all the way down there. Now we remove all the material that's here and here, as well as down here. And either use that by carving it away, or I kind of cheat and use the grinder to get rid of most of it, but you want to keep it rounded. So it's not just like a straight line. You don't want a straight line. It needs to be rounded. that I have this all carved out and sanded, it's now for me to do the actual like carving, like the gills and all of that, which I want to do. You don't have to do this. I want to do it. So the way that I make sure that it's symmetrical on both sides is I do a nice little drawing of what I want to carve, and then I hit it with pencil. I go over it really dark so that way when I press it to the wood and do basically just a rub of that, it will transfer over to the wood, and then I just go to the other side and it will be the exact same drawing, exactly the same on both sides, and then I can start carving. Just gotta sand that up next.
Yep, it's sold. It's sold for, unfortunately, $28. Yeah, it kind of hurts. But at least I sold it. I sold it. Somebody's going to enjoy it. It's a quality decoy, and I really hope that they're happy with it and that it gets them a lot of Northern that come in. And yeah, it can be passed down perhaps. But it was an experience, learning, building, and I'm just going to keep going at it. Guys, if you are actually interested in having your own lake monster lures, something that I made, Decoy, there's going to be another opportunity soon for you to get one. I'm not going to sell it though. I'm not going to sell this one. This one that's coming up in the next video, well, you'll see. If you're interested, subscribe. That way you get the notification because it's going to go quick. There's going to be an opportunity for you to get your very own lake monster decoy. So subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, and comment what type of decoy would you want? All right, we'll see you. Thanks. Bye.